Hello students, welcome to your maths class. So student, we was learning about division in our previous classes. We learned about the multiplication facts of division, properties of division, story based sums of division. So now in this class we will start our new topic, that is a estimating quotient. Okay, what we have to do, we have to estimate the numbers, we have to round the number to the nearest 10, 100 and according to the questions, that which is a suitable estimation of the numbers, and then we will find our answer. Okay, so here example is given to us, that in this example we have to estimate 244 divided by 24 by rounding to the nearest 10. So first we have to divide these number to nearest 10. Then 244, when we rounding this number to nearest 10, we will get 240, right? And when we will round 24 to nearest 10, we will get 20. Okay, and when we will divide 240 with 20, then 0 is cancelled out by 0 and 24 is divided by 2 and our answer will be 12. So that is a very simple question to you, then that is a very simple exercise also, because estimating the numbers you had learned in your previous chapters in addition, subtraction, multiplication, right? In all the three chapters you had learned about estimating the numbers. So that is a very, you can say that easy concept for you. Okay, and after estimating the numbers, the division becomes very simple. The next question is given to us, that is a estimation nearest to the 100, right? So in this question we have to estimate 4472 divided by 313 to nearest 100. Okay, so when we round off to nearest 100 to number 4472, we will get 4500. 313 we will get 300. When we divide it, then these two zeros is cancelled out by these two zeros, and now the remaining number is 45 divided by 3. Okay, so we can divide 45 by 3 very easily. Our answer will be a 15. So you can see that a very simple division, right? In a next example, that is a estimate 7526 divided by 32 by suitable roundings. What is the meaning of suitable roundings? Suitable rounding means that you have to use the rounding the numbers that are easiest according to the question. Okay, you can round to the number nearest 10, nearest 100 or in both. Okay, so we will see this example. In this example we round of 7526 to the nearest 100. Okay, next we will get 7500, and when we round 32, we round it to nearest 10, and after rounding off we will get 30. Now we can divide it. Okay, 0 cancel out by 0, right? Now the remaining digit is 750 and divided by 3. When we divide 750 by the 3, we will get answer 250. Okay, so see, that is a very simple exercise, and your exercise 5.6, that is related to the rounding of the numbers. Okay, you can solve these questions very easily. Your first question is, you have to divide 446 divided by 60 to the nearest 10. हमें क्या करना है? That we have to round off the numbers to the nearest 10. 476 will be a 480 divided by 62 will be a 60, right? 0 cancel out by 0, and 48 divided by 6, then 6 8s are 48, our answer will be 8. So that is a very simple question, right? when we will solve the question number 2, we have to round off to the nearest 100 in this question. When we round off, we will see the B part, 4197, we will get 4200, 567, we will get 600, right? These two zeros are cancelled out by these two zeros. Now 42 divided by 6, that our answer will be 7. 6 7 ja 42, right? So that is a very simple exercise. You have to solve the remaining sums by your own. Now we will move to our next topic, that is a simplification of expressions with 2 or more operations. It means that you have to apply the Bode-Morse rule here, division, multiplication, bracket, of, so on. Okay, so what was our Bode-Morse rule? That bracket of, B for bracket, O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Okay, so you have to use these Bode-Morse rule to solve this question, to simplify the questions. Okay, so here a question number A is given, that 2 multiplied by 12 divided by 3 minus 6 plus 1. So according to the Bode-Morse, we have to solve B for bracket. So in this question there is no bracket, so now we will move to the O means of is also not here. Now we will move to the D for division, right? So first we will divide the number. So now we will solve the division. 12 divided by 3, we will get 3 4 ja 12. Now we will get 2 multiplied by 4 minus 6 plus 1. After the D, we have a number M for multiplication. Now we will multiply it. 2 multiplied by 4, we will get 8. Now our statement will be 8 minus 6 plus 1, right? After the M, there is A means addition. We have to add the numbers, so we will add 8 and 1 because 6 in the subtraction. 8 plus 1 equal to 9, and now 9 minus 6, we will get 3 as a answer. So you can see that is a very simple simplification based questions, right? Now we will move to our exercise, that is exercise 5.7. okay, so by applying the Bode-Morse rule, you have to solve the questions, right? If you will see the A part, in a A part we have given 676 minus 100 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. So first we will solve division. When we divide 4 divided by 2, we will get 2, right? Then our expression will be 676 minus 100 multiplied by 2. Now we will solve multiplication. 676 minus 200, and after subtraction we will get 476, and that will be our answer. Okay students, so hope you had understand the simplification based question. Now you have to solve your questions by your own, practice the sums of the division. As much you will practice the question, as much you will understand the base of the topic, and you will get a command on the division. Okay, so now there is a exercise given to you, that is a objective assignment. These assignments are based on the whole chapter. What you had learned in a complete chapter, that questions are based on the whole topics. So try to solve the objective assignment by your own, so can you know that have you understand all the topics of this chapter or not. So students, practice the question, try to solve the question by your own, learn your tables for the division. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. We will meet in the next class with the new topic.